Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Madhu Azad and my clinic is the Vitality International Homeo Clinic. It is at 4th Cross Keshwa in Gunta. Recently I got a patient who came for the acne problem. And when I asked what is the cause behind it, how did it start? She said she used skin light cream. And why did she use skin lightening cream? To make her skin lighter, to make her skin fairer. She wanted to be fairer. That's why she used the skin lightening cream. And we were advised you to use this cream. He said, there are so many girls who use this cream. And the doctor advised you, and how you got to know it? If we go to the pharmacy, medical store, and we ask the person, okay, do you have any skin lightening cream? And they just give it. So in this video, I'm going to talk that it is not at all advisable to just go to the pharmacy and medical store and buy the skin lightening cream, because that can has lots of side effects. And it is a prescription-based creams. Like the doctor can only advise. The doctor can know the condition. Okay, this is the disease. This is the problem. Your skin color is not a problem. It is not a disease. So you don't need the medicine for that. So doctor can only advise that a skin lightening cream when to give. Now I am going to talk very important thing about skin color. So many people, boys, girls, female, men, most of the people wants to be fair. And the bitter truth is, no cream is going to make you fair. It can just temporarily change your skin color a little bit, one shade lighter. But when you stop using that cream, again, it will come back to your natural color. For those girls who feel that their skin is not healthy, now we will talk what you should do and what you should run behind. You should run behind making yourself healthy, making your skin healthy. If you feel your skin is not healthy, it is dull, you don't feel good. Most important, hydration. Very important is drink lots of water, plenty of water. 8 glasses of water per day minimum, 1 to 2 liters. And in summer, it can increase. Eat healthy food. You cannot eat lots of junk food and think that your skin can be healthy. No. You should eat home-cooked healthy food. Third important thing is exercise. When you sweat it out, when you exercise, lots of good hormones are released in your body, which makes your skin look healthy, which makes you feel healthy, which makes you feel good. And when you feel good, you look good. Now I am going to tell what you can do at home. Like what you can do at your face to make it look healthy. I have seen so many girls use the soap on the face and don't use any moisturizer or anything. So what you should do instead? First, stop using the soap. It is very harsh. Your skin, this is different. This is not sensitive. The skin on the face is very delicate. This is sensitive. You cannot use the same soap on the face. So what you should use instead? Use a face wash as per your skin type. There are oily skin type, dry skin type. Use the face wash as per your skin type. If you are exposed to waste, so much dirt, pollution, then you should use cleanser. For oily skin, you can use rose water. For dry skin, you can use cleansing milk or raw milk. Just apply it on the face, little massage, and just little like that, and wipe it with cotton. Then use the face wash. After face wash, what you should do? You cannot just wash your face and go out. No, you should protect it. You should hydrate it, because otherwise it will go dry. And for oily people, lots of oil will come out. So to balance that dryness and to balance that oiliness, you need a moisturizer. You think that my skin is very oily, it already has oil. How can I use the moisturizer? There are moisturizer for oily skin also. And that will not make you look skin greasy or oily. That will just control the oiliness on your skin. And for dry skin people, there are different moisturizer, especially made for dry skin. If you're going out in the sun, you should use a sunscreen. It will protect your skin from damage. The sun rays are very harsh and they can just damage your skin. So for protection, you should use a sunscreen. For darker skin colors, you already have melanin. You can go for 20 to 25, 30 maximum. SPF is good enough for you. For like lighter skin, SPF 35 to 50 is good enough. So I'm ending this video, and I want to say that you are beautiful the way you are. Accept yourself, accept your skin color, and divert your energy to the more important things in life. And that is how you are going to be happy and succeed in life. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay happy and stay healthy. Bye-bye.